Hi everybody, welcome to Tech Growth Stocks channel. Today I present you a new video. Specifically, I will give you 5 top software stocks. These are excellent software stocks and these stocks have excellent momentum characteristics and also have good growth. So I think these are stocks which could have huge price increases going forward, and specifically also the tech software sector has been a leading sector for quite some years now and had very strong performances, and I think this could continue to go on in the future. Okay everybody, so before I start right off with the first stock, I have to make a short disclaimer. This video does not constitute financial advice. It's for entertainment purposes only, so please consider that. Okay, so that was it for the intro. Let's have a look at the first stock, and as you can see, it is ZM, Zoom Video Communications. Here you can see the longer term chart of Zoom Video, and as you can see, Zoom Video was an IPO in April 2019. After its IPO, it formed a nice IPO base here, and it could break out from that IPO base in March this year and form a nice uptrend. The short-term chart, you see a nice uptrend here, and you can see as well since September 1, we have been moving sideways in Zoom Video Communications, and we have been base building here, and recently we traded off the lows of that base here and traded to the upside last week on Friday. Zoom Video Communications growth characteristics are excellent. The EPS growth is super strong with nearly 1,800%. The sales growth is also super strong with 262%. And the relative strength rating is excellent with 98. It's in the communication services space. So I think it's definitely a top tech software stock. Yeah. Okay, so that was it for Zoom Video. Let's have a look at the second top software stock, and it is APPN Corporation. Here you can see the longer term chart of Appian. As you can see, Appian was an IPO in May 2017. And you can see, in the short-term chart, you see here we had been moving sideways for quite some time, sideways a little bit to the upside. And let's say in November this year, or this November, we broke out of that sideways phase and we traded now way strong to the upside. I mean, this has been a so strong move for Appian. Yeah. I mean, we doubled in the stock in just a couple of trading sessions. Yeah. So, and we see here as well, strong volume is coming into the stock. So I think it's definitely looking strong, Appian. Appian's growth characteristics, the EPS growth is not that strong, it's minus 30%, and the sales growth is 6%, but the relative strength rating is super strong with 97, and it's in a hot sector, in the tech software sector, so I think it's definitely a top software stock. Okay, everybody, so that was it for Appian. Let's have a look at the next top software stock, and it is NET, Cloudflare. And by the way, Cloudflare has been also a top IPO stock to buy. Recently I made a video, and they are the top IPO stocks to buy, very young stocks with very strong sales growth and very strong momentum characteristics. If you did not see that video series, there are 2 parts. Have a look at my channel, and I want to make some links in that video, so I think these could be interesting for you as well. NET was an IPO in September last year, and after its IPO, it formed a nice IPO base here. and it could break out from that IPO base, let's say this year around March, and form a nice strong uptrend. The short-term chart we see here a nice strong uptrend, and recently we could break out from above this high and trade strongly to the upside last week on Friday. So I think Cloudflare is looking very strong now. Cloudflare's growth characteristics, the EPS growth is not the strongest, it's minus 20%, but the sales growth is super strong with 51%, and the relative strength rating is also very good. And as I said, the tech software sector is a very hot sector. So Cloudflare is definitely a top software stock. Okay, everybody, so that was it for Cloudflare. Let's have a look at the next top software stock, and it is TTD, the Trade Desk. Here you can see the longer term chart of the Trade Desk, and as you can see, we have been trending, or we have been in an uptrend for quite some time now, or since its IPO we have been trending up in the Trade Desk quite nicely. The short-term chart, you see an uptrend as well, and you can see recently we have been accelerating in the Trade Desk and trading strongly to the upside. Trade Desk's growth characteristics, the EPS growth is 46%, very good. The sales growth is 9%, and the relative strength rating is good with 95. So I think the Trade Desk is definitely a top software stock. Okay, everybody, so that was it for the Trade Desk. Let's have a look at the last top software stock for today, and it is DOCU, DocuSign. Here you can see the longer term chart of DocuSign, and as you can see, DocuSign was an IPO in April 2018. After its IPO, it formed a nice IPO base and broke out of that IPO base here in, let's say, September 2019, and formed a nice and strong uptrend. Short-term chart, you see an uptrend here until July this year, and since July, DocuSign has been base building and moving sideways, and now it looks like it could break out here and trade to the upside. DocuSign's growth characteristics, the EPS growth is not the strongest, it's minus 7%, but the sales growth is very strong with 42%, and the relative strength rating is also excellent, it's 95, or very good, yeah. So I think it's definitely, DocuSign is definitely a top software stock. Okay, everybody, so that was it for DocuSign, and that was the last top software stock for today. If you also soon I will make a new video or part 2 of these top software stocks, and if you do not want to miss that video, why not subscribe to this channel and hit the notifications bell, so you will get a message when I release that upcoming video. Also, please have a look at my other videos. I had some interesting videos maybe about the, as I said today, the top IPO stocks. I think these could be interesting for you. Or let's say I have also a video about the top biotech stocks or the top internet stocks. So have a look at on my channel. I think these are all excellent stocks with which could have strong future price increases. Okay, if you like that video, please give it a thumbs up. This would help me very much. And also, I had fun making this video, and thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in the future. Cheers.